You're not just buying a home, you're making a strategic move. Contact Erica Shakur with Shakur the Deal Realty. She specializes in helping clients navigate the real estate market with precision, clarity, and confidence. Every decision matters, from pricing to negotiation to long-term value. Her role is to make sure you are not guessing. You are moving with intention. If you're serious about buying, selling, or investing, you need more than an agent. You need strategy. That's where Shakur the Deal come in. Let's make a deal.
Come on, man. I never did that before.
Bound at me. Bound at me. Yeah. Bound at me. Yeah, there's more than weight. Got my mind right. Now my changing shape. From the pain, from the doubt, now I elevate. Hard working, dedicated, plus motivated. Bound at me.
What's up now? Looking good. What you doing? What you lifting? Looking good. Stay focused, stay driven. Body changing. I'm on a mission. Bound at me, bound at me, bound at me.
It's the journey, watch the change, watch the change.
I'm on a mission, yeah. On my way to fame, bound at me.
So don't be discouraged. No, stay on your GLP-1. Somebody tell me I'm cheating because I'm taking a GLP-1. You didn't say that when I was 300 pounds, you know, when I was all out of shape. Now all of a sudden I'm cheating. And I'm very open. I'm very upfront. People ask me, hey, what you do to lose 110 pounds? I did Zepbound. And also I did retatrutide. And I work out and I eat clean. Like, Zepbound is not a magic shot. Retatrutide is not a magic shot. If you think you're just going to take it and sit around and lose weight, you're definitely not doing that with Zepbound unless you're losing muscle. And you're not doing that with retatrutide either. You can do it. You might lose a pound or two, but you're not going to lose no weight. You have to really go. And also in my last video, I talked about not doing cardio. Okay, I'm talking about walking. I'm not talking about sprinting. I will say anything. If you want to do cardio, build yourself up to sprints. And what you do sprints just like you do sets, okay? You want to sprint fast. You want to run as fast as you can. Start out 5 seconds if you can. Like I remember when I first started, my back was hurting and locking up so bad, I could only walk around my living room. So if you're in a condition like where you're morbidly obese and you've been sedentary all your life, it's okay to do a little cardio just to get warmed up. But go away from that cardio and stick to strict muscle, like building muscle, okay? Cardio will build muscle only in the initial phase when you haven't worked out, and that's temporary. But I'm telling you, if you want to build real muscle, if you want this GLP-1 to work, if you don't want to go through stalls, you have to lift weights or sprint. Nothing wrong with sprinting. You can do HIIT cardio also. HIIT cardio is very effective where you walk and then run, walk then run. The running is the key. Running fast. But I know when you're heavy, because I was heavy like that, I couldn't run. I couldn't run at all. Now I can run. I run now. I run. When I go on the treadmill, I might do 10. When I do 10 minutes, I do HIIT cardio for 10 minutes. I want to tell you that I don't just walk. I do HIIT for 10 minutes, meaning that I walk for a minute, run for 2 minutes. Walk for a minute, run for 2 minutes. Walk for a minute, run 2 minutes. And what that look like on the treadmill, I walk it like 3.0 and then I run at 6.0. I walk it, I double it. So wherever I walk it, I double that speed when I start doing my run. And I run for 2 minutes straight. Now, did I start out like that? No, I did not start out like that. I built up to that. And so if you need walking to build up your cardio so you can sprint, do it. But I want you to focus more on your weightlifting than anything. Build your cardio up as you do it. Like I'll tell my brother, I remember I used to just stand up in my seat and sit down, stand up and sit down, stand up and sit down. Do it 5 times starting out. Because it's different from I be seeing people talking about how to lose weight. They ain't never been big a day in their life. But I'm telling you from a person that been big, had back issues, had pre-diabetes, had high blood pressure, had sleep apnea. I couldn't move around. I was stuck inside my own body. You know, I was a prisoner inside my own body. And to go from that, to go from this, where now people see me in the gym like, oh, he been working out. I'm like, I'm not even where I want to be at yet. And you don't know you don't know where I came from. You don't know what I've been through. I haven't always been no size, like no definition like this. No, I've been big. Look at my back. Look at the back in the video. That was my back. a year ago. That was my back a year ago. So I've been there, I've done that. I've been through all that. I've been through the changes. I've been through inflammation. I've been through high CRP. I've been through doctor appointments. I've been through blood pressure. I've been through hydrochlorothiazide. I've been through beta blockers. I've been through everything that you can think of. I've been on it. And now, only medication I'm taking is Zepbound. That's the only one I'm taking with the retatrutide now. I'm still taking my retatrutide. And I got a couple other peppers I take too. You know, not right now. I'm off a lot of peptides now, but I did have a stack that I was doing. But this is just the initial phase of my muscle building. Like, I'm not even in my full-blown muscle building space yet. That's coming later. When I go to that, you're gonna know about it. But yeah, right now it's just still focused on getting my body percent down. Like right now, I'm like, I think last time I checked, I was down to 22% body fat. My goal is to get down to 15% body fat. That's my goal. My doctor told me my weight, last time I weighed, I don't even weigh myself no more. Last time I weighed myself, I was 226. The reason I stopped weighing myself, because my doctor, notice, my doctor, I'm working with a doctor. I'm not doing this by myself. I go to my doctor appointments, okay? I get labs, I get blood work also. So I'm going to my doctor appointments, I get labs, I get blood work. I know what my testosterone's at. Remember, I'm on the TRT. I'm on a baby dose. I be seeing people on 300 milligrams of TRT. I'm like, how can I get on that? Because my doctor got me on 100. And it's like, no, it's not that's not it. Like, no, I want 300. I want, bodybuilders be on like 1,500 milligrams of TRT, or they be on 1,000, 2,000. That's a real steroid dose. You got me on 100, and you got people around here on 300, at least 300. Give me 300 so I can build some muscle. 100 keep you borderline. Like my testosterone, on my dose of testosterone, on what I take with my TRT, my normal, they got me on 100 milligrams once a week, right? My testosterone level be at like 700, 650, 700, that's it. Because before this, my testosterone was like 100. That's why I got on TRT, because I'm primary hydrogonadase, meaning that the factory don't work. I can't take no supplement. Maca root is not working for me because my pituitary gland is telling my bottom part to make testosterone at a high level, but it's not making it. It's like, it's primary. That meaning that there's no medication I can take. There is no supplement I can take, no ZMA, no zinc, magnesium, none of that I can take to get my factory to produce the testosterone that I need for my body. Like if you had secondary hydrogonadase, you can probably take maca root or do some kind of natural tribulus, and you can get your pituitary to spit out more messages telling your testicles to make testosterone. That's not my issue. When you primary, the only thing you can do is TRT. There's nothing else you can do. So I went from 100 to now I'm at 650, 700 when I do my TRT. I want to be at 1,500 for real. Like I want my testosterone at least 1,000. Give me 1,000. But you gotta understand, when you do raise your testosterone, you deal with things like you gotta look at how thick your blood becomes, also the side effects of it. So my doctor, I know what my doctor's doing. He's just keeping me, I'm baseline. I'm normal. My TRT keep me normal. It don't give me no edge, no advantage. It keep me normal. So how do I get bigger? Work out. I work out a lot. Like I said, 4 times a week, weight training. My diet is boring. I'm gonna do another video with y'all talking about my diet. My diet is boring. I eat chicken breast, rice. Like, I'm finna go on lunch right now. Guess what I'm finna do? I'm finna go to Kroger. They got these $5 chicken boxes. It's $5. It's a breast, wing, thighs, like a half a chicken in there, right? I go to Kroger. I get me a $5 chicken box and grab me an orange and grab me a water. And that's my lunch. Like, that's my lunch. Like, real talk. I don't feel like cooking. That's my lunch. If I'm at home, I grab me a package of tuna, a Jocko protein shake, and I get a tablespoon of avocado mayo, a little sweet relish, mix it up, and that's my lunch too. So I'm very strict on my diet. I make sure I get fruit. I eat a lot of fruit and meat. I'll tell you that. I don't really mess with salads. I used to eat salads. Yeah, I found out salads not that healthy for you. I didn't know that. I thought salads was good for you. But just to let you know, you gotta go hard. At the end of my video, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Bowing to me, out. Let me know you need any help.
Bound at me. Bound at me. Yeah. Bound at me. Yeah, there's more than weight. Got my mind right. Now my changing shape. From the pain, from the doubt, now I elevate. Hard working, dedicated, plus motivated. Bound at me.
What's up now? Looking good. What you doing?